Good morning, student. We discuss about the very important topic pollination. Pollination. This is very important topic. Pollination. What is mean by pollination? What is mean by pollination? What is the definition of pollination? The definition of pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from the open anther to the stamen. The receptive stigma is called as pollination. Transfer of pollination. What is mean by pollination? Transfer of pollen grain to the stigma is called as pollination. It is two types of pollination. One is self pollination. First type of pollination is self pollination. What is the definition of self pollination? What is the definition of self pollination? Self pollination is defined as transfer of pollen grain from anther of the flower to the stigma of same flower is called as self pollination. Transfer of anther. Transfer of anther to the stigma of same flower is called as self pollination. This is the plant. This is the flowers. Transfer of anther to the stigma of same flower is called as self pollination. Self pollination also two types. One is autogamy and other is geitonogamy. Autogamy means autogamy. What is mean by autogamy? It is a autogamy is defined as transfer of pollen grains. Transfer of pollen grain to the same flower of stigma is called as autogamy. Means transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of same flower of plant is called as autogamy. The other types of self pollination is geitonogamy. What is mean by geitonogamy? Geitonogamy is defined as transfer of pollen grains. Transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of another flower of same plant. What is the definition of geitonogamy? Transfer of pollen grains of one flower to the another flower of same plant is called as geitonogamy. Second pollination is cross pollination. What is mean by cross pollination? What is the definition of cross pollination? Cross pollination is defined as transfer of anther. What is mean by cross pollination? This is a plant of flower. This is a flowers. And other is other plant of flowers of same species. This is a two plant. Species are same. What is meant by cross pollination? Cross pollination is defined as transfer of anther of one flower to the another flower of same species is called as cross pollination. Transfer of anther to the one flower to the another to the anther of the flower to the stigma of another flower is called as cross pollination. Cross pollination also three types. One is cross pollination also kinds. One is abiotic agencies and other is abiotic agencies. Cross pollination occurs two types. Cross pollination one is abiotic agencies, other is biotic cross pollination also divide two types. One is biotic agency and other is abiotic agencies. Abiotic agencies, one is anomorphile, and other is hydrophiles. Abiotic agencies are one is anomorphophile and other is hydrophile. Anomorphophile means transfer of pollen grains. Anomorphophile is defined as transfer of pollen grains through the agencies of wind is called as anomorphophile. Its example is maize. Transfer of pollen grain to the with the help of agencies is called as anomorphophile. And hydrophile defined as transfer of pollen grain with the help of water is called as hydrophiles. And abiotic agencies are one is entomorphiles. One is entomorphiles. It is defined as transfer of pollen grain with the help of insects is called as entomorphiles. And other is ornithophiles. Ornithophile is defined as transfer of pollen grain with the help of birds is called as ornithophiles. And third is chiroprophiles. It is also defined as transfer of pollen grain through the agency of bat is called as chiroprophiles. This is a pollination. One is self-pollination and other is cross-pollination. Remaining we shall continue in the next page. Thank you.